Imagine you are a biologist and you have just designed a fancy trimerase protein. You create the protein sequence and the reverse translation and turn to your favorite DNA synthesis service to create your DNA, just to learn that the sequence is rejected due to being highly repetitive. The reason lies in the codon usage bias of amino acids. Rare codons are considered bad and are avoided by the reverse translation software. Using only the good or common codons and omitting the rare ones leads to boring DNA. This is good if the encoded protein is a monomer, but leads to highly repetitive DNA if the protein itself is repetitive. Facing this problem myself, I designed Codon Shuffler to create 2 or 3 maximally dissimilar versions of coding DNA by allowing the not so perfect codons at higher rates and forcing different codons in each position. Yet, the very bad codons are still omitted. The program is written in Python 3. To run it, you need to install the Python 3 interpreter and download the Codon Shuffler and the corresponding files and folders. The codon tables folder contains 3 built-in codon tables to teach the program which codons are the really bad ones to avoid. You can add your own species by following the steps on the screen. By default, the input comes from the sample.txt file placed in the inputs folder. Here you find an example.txt file as well for testing the program. If you are happy with the default settings seen on the screen, you can run the program by clicking on the icon. Once started, the program runs silently and creates a report text file in the results folder. The report contains the details of the run, as well the output of 3 dissimilar DNA sequences, each coding the same input protein. If the program runs into a problem with the input, a report is generated describing the issue. To change the default settings, the advanced mode is available from the command line. To use that, navigate to the folder containing the program and type python space cdnsf.py. This way the default parameters can be changed by using command line arguments as shown. This way you can use your own custom codon table, and by using the -i space dash command you can change from file input to command line input. After pressing enter, the program runs silently and generates the report as shown before. And this is Codon Shuffler, a program to unboard your DNA.